What's up, Back Road Games? Your boy Back Road Trey. We have another video, bro. This video, y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title that we're putting a 170 on my 125cc Apollo. I actually was saving that engine for a different bike, but the 140 I had, it was too slow for me. I like the torque and other stuff like that. But this is gonna be another review video on the 170. I'm gonna do the RPMs, top speed, other stuff like that. I know the last video that we did, I didn't get to show y'all actually how fast it go, but it actually did go 60 miles per hour. So, we just taking that one off. Like I said, just to me, I just need something a little bit more faster, just for a review. So I'm taking the engine off and putting it on my 125cc frame and see how that does. But yeah, man, y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. If y'all just started watching my videos, you know, everything is free when it comes to the liking and subscribing. If y'all want to see my videos, the content that dropping and stuff like that, so y'all be the first to notice, you know, when the video first drop, you know, first look at whatever y'all want to do. Y'all go and do that, man. Just go ahead and hit that bell and, you know, leave a comment if y'all want to, you know, have any questions or anything like that. And yeah, man, let's get the day started. We just got this 170 through the mail today, man. I've been waiting for almost 2 weeks to 3 weeks, I think, or a month. I really forgot. But yeah, man, we hear another video again, man. We finna do another engine swap and another engine review. Yes, I did already go and take a look at it. This is the 170 zongshen, I think, if I'm saying it right. But yeah, you know, brand new, everything, brand new, just got here. I'm actually waiting for Amazon to bring me a size 17 front sprocket and a 35 for the back, so we get the maximum speed at from the bikes or whatever. But yeah, man, this is another review video. If y'all like this video, man, go ahead and like and subscribe, hit that bell, man, so y'all can get you know, any other video that come out first. You know, it's free, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that bell and hit that like button, man, if y'all mess with your boy.
Do you speak any English? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Alright, as y'all can see, we just took that engine off and put that 170 on there.
Well, what are these? Oh, hold on, we got 16 hookup.
Bro been working hard while I'm upstairs. But yeah, we can put a new engine on there. Alright, so we got it on there. Looks good. We got no spark right now, so that's what we're figuring out right now.
No, if it don't work out, just do the regular way it's telling you to do.
Yeah. Yeah, we're keeping the same old harness, and I'm trying to see if I'm, you know. But yeah, we're gonna figure out the spark issue, and we'll get back to y'all. Alright guys, this is how far we got so far. Ran into a little bit of problem, if y'all can see right there. Actually had to make it fit, so it does look kind of weird, messed up. Apollo have this bar right here that kind of gets in your way. I actually gotta order another one of these, so for right now we're gonna leave it like that. But yeah, right now the throttle is what we're working on right now. We used this one, it's the wrong one, and I finally found this one, so we're gonna use that for that card. And yeah, man, I keep y'all updated, keep y'all posted. But we're like 3 hours, I think 3 or 4 hours into it right now. All right, I'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all. My bad about y'all here.
That way when they fill, it'll take a little bit longer for them to take all that gas.
Yeah, I already know it's gonna eat a lot of gas.
I ain't giving up again. Oh, she died off it. Come on. It's all that damn compression. Yeah, I got to get used to, because I'm used to that damn idle, and this bike don't really idle as much, so just like... Yeah, you got an air filter on your shit, so that means I'll probably do the same shit.
Yeah, I feel like I got another cart for it, but it's beast, I'm not gonna lie to you. You still got me because your frame is scratched and shit, but...
Well, we learning together, y'all. It's definitely low bogging for some reason, though. It's definitely low bogging. So maybe a carb, because I'm used to my bikes idling. But other than that, it's pretty good. Yeah. No, as soon as I let off the throttle, boom, it just dies.
Mine do that sometimes too, though.
Come on. It's fast as shit. I'm not gonna give you. I'm not allowed to say on that one. If I get the bike to idle, it'll be very good, man. You got so much power. Yeah, shit, I ain't gonna lie. I love it, y'all. I love it. I died off again, yeah. Alright, y'all, cover y'all ears. I know it sounds terrible, but alright. Like I said, here's do 75. I don't know what you're gonna do because my muffler's off. I know it sounds like crazy, it sounds like poop, but I actually want to see how fast I can get up to. Alright. Oh, got it out. All right, y'all. Almost idle for a minute, guys. All right. Let's see what we got.
He
here.
literally fast, dude.
Yeah.
We're like, what the fuck? These kids doing?
Let's go. All right. Get that captured. Okay.
It says?
Gotta go.
Oh, you gotta.
Gotta go to my settings. All right, so far, I think that's, what's that today? Let me go to trip history. It looked like it says 68.
68?
Yeah. Maximum speed, 68. I mean, 63, I mean. So we got a 63. I don't know if y'all guys can see that. 63.
And that's without the pipe.
That's without the pipe. Like I said, his do around like 75.
Yeah, so it could be faster once I get the pipe on it. His gonna be faster regardless because he got a lighter frame and it's stretched. We got the same setup, same size 17 tooth. We got a 35, I think, what, 35 teeth? 35 back sprocket. What else? Yeah, Apollo, like I said, is way heavier versus the SSR. The SSR is way lighter. But my review so far on the bike, with a new engine, I like it. The only takeaway I can say about this engine would be the compression to start it up. You gotta actually like soft kick it, then hard kick it. I just learned that. And it starts up, you know, basically like the 150R if y'all rode a Honda. And then my idle. I feel like if you change the carburetor on it, it probably have amazing idle and I have to worry about the bike dying off.
Amazing idle, probably you get a little bit more horsepower.
Exactly. Yeah, but all around, I think I give it a 9.
Yeah,
I'm about to say a 9. Yeah.
I give it a 10.
Yeah. Yeah, he been dealing with the bike way longer, so it's 10 for him and 9 for me. Like I said, once you get the carb and other stuff like that fixed on it, I feel like it'll be a lot better. So yeah, man. All around, 9. I feel like it's real good. I'm glad I upgraded. Oh yeah. We're gonna push these across the street real fast, y'all. My muffler, I did lose my muffler on the bike. I lost it. It was already loose on my 140cc. I just tightened a screw on it, but I guess because it got so much power, it's different. Like
it to me too.
Yeah, he lost his a couple times too. These are very small, powerful engines.
They get you into the big boy bikes. That's what they do.
Yeah, it feels like you're riding, you know, one of the big boys. But
Let's get to the bike.
yeah. All right, I'm gonna finish this video when I get to the house, and yeah, we'll let you know what's going on.
None of it's true.
None of it's true. None of it's true. It's BS. They made it up. They lie.
All right, yeah, racing. Forget it.
A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit.
All right, yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if y'all going to. It's my birthday day, so this video probably gonna be dropped on my b-day, which is tomorrow. Just put 26s all in the comments. And yeah, man, y'all enjoy y'all day. I hope y'all enjoy the content. Y'all make sure you ring that bell for me. And man, I'll see y'all in the next one.